boy, story time!
Hey guys, Crazy Time here. Today I'm going to show you Playmobil ATM machine and vending machine. And also the Calico Critters supermarket playset. Okay, now let's start with the ATM machine. Let's put stickers on it. Here's the key to open the ATM machine. Now let's check out the money or the bills. Here's 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, and 10. Then I'm going to show you the ATM cards. Let's open the ATM machine so we can put the bills inside. Okay, now let's check out the vending machine. So this is the playset. We have a vending machine, a crate, and the drinks. Now the vending machine is ready. Now that we're done with the vending machine, let's open up this supermarket playset. Here's the store. Let's set it up. Then let's put stickers on it. Here we have some fruits, and this is the freezer. You have apples, bananas, orange, and pears. Here's a shopping cart and a cute shopping bag. Here we're going to make some boxes of cereal, juices, coffee, chocolates, and many more. And also, it also comes with these items. Now let's set up the supermarket. Here in this shelf, you have some vegetables and eggs. And down here, fish and scallops, magazines. This is the counter, the register. Then let's put some canned foods right here. We have mushroom soup and sweet corn. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed that video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and click those thumbnails to watch more fun videos here at Racy Time channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.